Hello, welcome in our next video on a chapter 4th economic activity, primary economic activities. Almost we cover the gathering, hunting and lumbering. Now the fourth important activity, primary economic activity, that is the fishing. Fishing is one of the important economic activity which is totally depend on natural resource, that is the water. Ocean water is important for the international fishing and fishing on a large scale. Almost if we observe this map, then we can get idea about the fishing. This blue line, it shows a fishing activity which is practiced in coastal area of different oceans in the world. Now if we observe this line, and it's the cover area by this line, blue line, is not all parts of the coastal area is there, only some specific coastal areas is there. Now there are the several factors which is depend on the responsible for the fishing activity on a commercial purpose and on a large scale. If we observe this coastal area of a Pacific Ocean of Asian continent, towards the Asian continent, there is a very dark and broad blue line is there, which shows the fishing activities. Almost the coastal part of India, then this Vietnam and China, then Japan, this region is important for the fishing activity. Australia, the southeast part of Australia have also practiced fishing, but the another coastal area of Australia, the fishing is not practiced. In this area there is the absence of a fishing. Only some part of this Madagascar island, this region is important for the fishing. Otherwise west coast of Africa is important. Then this east part of North America, means the west part of Atlantic Ocean, east part of Atlantic Ocean, north part of Atlantic Ocean is important for the fishing activity. The Atlantic Ocean is an important ocean which is practice the fishing on commercial base. The China is the first rank in the world for the fishing activity. Then Chile is there, Peru is there, and Japan is also there. So these are the important country in fishing activities. This is the west coast of Brazil. Here is also fishing activities is practiced. Then west side of North America. This is the east part of Pacific Ocean and west coast of North and South America. So these are the fishing areas. Now there are questions related with the fishing. First we discuss that question. Along which coast of North America is the Grand Bank located? Now Grand Bank is located along the north coast of North America. Then along which coast of South America is the fishing is practiced? Along the southeast coast of South America, fishing is practiced. This part is related with the Brazil. Southeast part of Brazil is practiced with the fishing activity only. Then this North America, Grand Bank, it is located on a north coast of North America. Third question, in which part of Australian continent has a fishing activity developed? In southeast part of Australian continent has a fishing activities developed. Fishing is carried out on a large scale on the western coast of Africa, then on the eastern coast, Give region. There is the fishing activities practiced only largely at the west coast of Africa. It is correct because of the African region which is located, this area is located on a equatorial region where there is a hot climate, but the ocean current at the west part of west coast of Africa, there is a cold ocean current is there, and east part of Africa, there is also temperature is high, but that temperature is also increased due to the Agulhas ocean current, which is also hot ocean current. So these are directly oppositely affect on the fishing. So the cold ocean current at the west coast, it is very important for the fishing. It's make the temperature reduce and fish breed is there. Higher fish breed at the west coast of Africa, and east coast of Africa, there is a Agulhas current, is a hot ocean current. It's badly affect on the fishing activity. It is not supportive for the fish breed. Then question number 5th. Commercial fishing is a practice on the southern coast of Greenland. Give reason. Now about the Greenland. Greenland is a country where there is an extreme cold climate. The ice cap region, only south part of the Greenland is only useful for the residential purpose or settlement purpose. The climate is suitable somewhere from the southern part only. Then due to the cold climate and ice cap region, the other activities cannot develop. Only hunting and second important fishing activity is there. And maximum employment, near about 85% employment of Greenland is depend on fishing. And physical factor are also supportive for the fishing. There is a ocean currents and the fish breed is very good. Continental shelf is good, and this Greenland is related with the USA, and the commercial relation or a trading relation with the USA and European countries. That's why the commercial fishing is practiced on a southern coast of Greenland. This is the currents, hot current, hot ocean currents, and this is the cold ocean currents. If a cold ocean current is enter in a hot temperature zone, hot climatic zone, at that time the temperature of that water is automatically reduced, and this cold ocean current in a hot climatic region, they are supportive for the fish breed. And hot ocean current is effect on the cold region is also very important and supportive. They are also reduce the they increase the temperature in a cold area, cold climatic region, and they are also supportive for the fish breed. So this hot ocean current in a cold climatic zone is supportive for fishing, and cold ocean current in a hot temperature area, they are also supportive for the fishing. So these are the important these ocean currents is supportive. Peru is here, and this cold ocean current is supportive for the fishing activity in Peru also. Now factors affecting on fishing. First, physical factor, and second, other factors are there. In physical factor, extensive continental shelf is important. If the shallowness is there, the coastal area, the ocean part is shallow, at that time that is supportive for the plankton development and the plankton availability, and it is supportive for fish breed. So for example, Northwest Pacific near Okhotsk Sea near China. This is Okhotsk area is important, and extensive continental shelf is there near China, which is important for the fishing activity in China. Same extensive continental shelf is there at North America, at the east coast of North America. Extensive large continental shelves in the world also there, and it is also Dogger Bank. It is also supportive for the fishing activity or fishing occupation. Then confluence of a warm and cold current and subsequently growth of abundant plankton. Same condition is here when the temperature is moderate. At that time, when warm and cold currents are confluence, meet to each other, at that time that region have also abundant plankton availability, and that is supportive for the fish breed. For example, meeting of the warm ocean current Kuroshio with the cold Oyashio at the coast of Japan. It is also supportive for the fishing in Japan. Then other factors which are affecting on the fishing. First, traditional skill of people is very important. For example, there is a Japanese and Chinese people have a skill of a fishing is there. High density of population is also important. A region which is also uses fish for a staple food, that region with the high density, they are very important and demand, there is a higher demand for the fish, and that's why fishing activity is developed and on a commercial base also. For example, Japan and Philippines as well as China, coastal area of India, these people are use fish as a staple food, and that's why this is one of the important activity in that area. Third, absence of alternative occupations is not available there. There is a only and only fishing activity is there. For example, Greenland, the option is not there. Only fishing activity is one of the important occupation, and that's why that is a developed in that region. Same, the other region, they have other sources are not available, that's why the fishing is developed. Use of developed technology. If a technical knowledge is there, at that time the fishing can be practiced on a commercial base. The the European countries, North America, Canada, these countries are practice fishing on a commercial base with the help of developed technology. Japan and China are also use a developed technology for the fishing. Fifth number, broken coastline and availability of a natural port. If a broken coastline is there, the depth is there, the natural port is also available in that area, and that's why the very within a very low cost the fishing can practice in that area. Otherwise, artificial port is not very economical for the fishing occupation. So natural port availability is important for fishing. Cold climate is useful for preservation of fish. A region where fishing is practiced, almost the Denmark, European countries, USA, then Greenland, such countries are located in a cold climatic zone. That's why the preservation cost is not necessary as much as a tropical region country. So that is also supportive thing for the fishing activity. Last, forest which is source of wood availability for shipbuilding is also important. A region where there is the forest availability, and that forest is also supportive for the wood, which is the important for the shipbuilding industries and ship construction. So these all factors are considered and affect on the fishing activity in the world. In this way we can complete our point related with the fishing. Okay, thank you.